Angela Oakley. Now, it's just something about her. When I look at her, I see that she comes across as very poised. She seems like she's well reserved, and I will say that she also appears to be the missing link. And I'm gonna be honest with you, she puts me in mind of a Cynthia. So I feel like she's gonna be the voice of reason when it comes to the dynamic between the ladies. Now, don't get me wrong. This is just all my speculation. This is just all what I feel could transpire as we watch the show. But she is married to the legendary Charles Oakley, who is a former NBA player, if I'm not mistaken. And she seems to be well known. Again, she's also an upper echelon within the Atlanta elites. So it's good to see that she is going to be bringing her personality to the franchise, and I can't wait to see what she has to offer. Now it seems like there's going to be a little rift between her and I'm honestly thinking it's Portia. I don't know in what shape or form things are going to play out, but it seems like there's going to be a little wedge in between their relationship. And to be perfectly honest, I really feel like the newbies are going to be somewhat coming for Portia. Now, this is something that was alleged months ago. I want to say it was an interview that Portia had, and she pretty much stated that the newbies were coming for her. So I mean, again, we're just gonna have to wait and watch to see exactly what plays out and what transpires and what truly goes down. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.